Hello guys, welcome to Skill Up channel for another tutorial. For many reasons, you might need to send an email to your client or friends in a confidential mode. So if you send a confidential email, your recipient won't be able to copy, forward or download your email, and also you can add the expiry date and your email will disappear. So to do that, open your Gmail. Then click here and compose. Type your email and then click on this icon. Then click on this arrow. You can set expiration from here, 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month, and so on. Then click on save. And then simply send. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, so please subscribe this channel and give a thumbs up to this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.